I was in Mississippi and we had a wet well that wasn't working. Actually found them in the back of a magazine and from Texas, and I called Anthony and talked to Anthony and Gary, and they said, well, that's a long ways for us to come, but we'll come help you. So they drove 10 hours to Mississippi to help me there and get my wet well and everything fixed up, over there. And then I came here in 2001. I've been here almost 20 years, and every time I need something done, I give Anthony and Gary at American Underwater a call, because they'll come out and just about do anything that you need them to do. Wet wells and your pumps and your flow and your intakes and all that, if they're clogged up or your water's not moving from one place to another, or if your intake's sitting on the bottom of the ground or sitting around where water can't get through it, or it starts blowing silt on your greens and you start ruining a green, a green to be rebuilt is $40,000 plus loss of revenue. So it's a lot to get that stuff done, and they've always done a great job of coming and helping us at any time.
American Underwater Services, aquatic engineering done right.